Now I will tell about the liquid molecules. In liquid molecules, the molecules are very loosely held. There are large intermolecular space. That means the space between two molecules is very high, large intermolecular space, and they are not tightly packed, very loosely packed, and the force of attraction between the molecule is weak. That's why they are apart from one another. The movement of molecules, the free movement of molecule is possible here. They can move in any direction. That is why liquids are not rigid. They are not rigid. They take the shape of the container in which they are putting. Thus, when we put in the liquid in a beaker, it will take the shape of the beaker, or if we put it in a bowl, it will take the shape of the bowl, or in a cylinder, it will take the shape of a cylinder. See how the liquid molecules are packed. They are loosely packed, and due to the low intermolecular force between them, so they can move freely to some extent. But the solid molecules can't move at all. Now come to the gaseous substances. What is found in gaseous substances? The molecules are very loosely held. They are far apart from one another. They are very loosely held, and the intermolecular force of attraction is very weak here. Negligible intermolecular force we can say, and so the gaseous substances are very less rigid. They don't have any definite volume. Gases and liquids are so-called fluids. Why they are called fluids? Because they can flow. Because of their ability to flow, they are called fluids. They can flow from one place to another. So you can find here the molecules are very loosely packed, large intermolecular space and low force of attraction. These are the this is for the gaseous substance. Now I am coming to the change of states of the substances. As I have told you earlier also that solid when heated it will come to the liquid form, and liquid when heated it will come to the gaseous form. So here taking one example of water, we are explaining ice heating water, then also again we will get the steam. Same way from gaseous substance we can get the liquid state of it by cooling, and liquid state into solid state by again cooling. So here for water gaseous state is steam, by cooling we are getting water, and again cooling we are getting ice. The change of state can be brought about by changing temperature and pressure. So, solid, liquid and gas of one substance like water can be found. They can be present in three states of matter like solid, liquid and gas, and we can change the state of them by changing the temperature or pressure. This is all for today's lesson, students. Thank you very much. I will again come to teach you another part of matter chapter. Thank you.